Hey everyone, and welcome to Gardening with Ben on the Big Bird Watch. Let's sit back, relax and enjoy today's episode. So welcome to Gardening with Ben. It's the weekend of the Big Bird Watch, where we count how many birds that we see and we let the RSPB know so that they can do a count and see how the bird wildlife is doing in our homes and our gardens here in the UK. So let's see what seed we have got to put up for the birds today in this weekend of the Big Bird Watch. So we have got some bird feeders with wild bird seed in for them to eat. We've got some more wild bird seed to fill all the rest of our feeders up. We've got some Niger seed because different birds like different seeds, so we've got variety for them. We've got some peanuts as well because some like peanuts and they need the peanuts to give them the energy through the winter, as well as the same for the fat balls. The fat balls give them energy throughout the winter period because they need to fatten up to get ready for mating season. We've got some sultanas for the blackbirds. Blackbirds love sultanas, so we've got some of those out as well. We've got as wild suet blocks as well to put in as suet block holders. So yeah, this is all the seed and the food that we've got for the birds. Hopefully we'll capture some good wildlife today. So we're going to hang those up on our bird feeders and get all the seed in and all the blocks in and the fat balls in and the sultanas out, and put some fresh water out as well for the birds to have a drink and a bath in. So we're going to get all those up, we're going to record some footage and hopefully capture some wildlife and birds in our garden today. So stay tuned for the next video showing you what happens in our allotment with the wildlife. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next episode, everyone.